Hey friends, if you encounter low Wi-Fi signal strength on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you have to do. First of all, try to bring your router closer to your computer, and if it is in a different room, make sure that it is not behind thick walls because the 2.4 gigahertz network will impact that. I mean, it cannot cross through thick walls. The next one is to use the 5 gigahertz network, but this is after bringing your computer closer to the router because the 5 gigahertz network has a lower range than the 2.5 gigahertz one, though the signal is stronger. So click on this option here, select, and there will be two SSIDs. One is for the 2.4G one and one is for the 5G one. Connect it to the 5G one. Next is obviously to update your network drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. And now expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on it and select update driver and search automatically for drivers. And the last option is obviously the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.